Welcome to Glasgow. Some real life history shit going down here, by the way. I want you to take your time and read a wee thing or two for the memoirs of a real killer, mate. None of this Glasgow Ned pish, you know what I mean? Check it. There was this one guy, the gangster type, claimed to be the hard man. Left a girl with cuts and bruises, a stab wound and a snapped arm. She'd lost a lot of blood, unconscious when they found her. Whispers on the street say she owed a lot for powder. He was a 6'2", drug abusing bodybuilder. He didn't have other business, he probably would have killed her. But a guy owed him money, even more than she. So he took a baseball bat and smashed his fucking knees. As the guy lay on the deck, the ground around him glistened red. Get the fucking money or I'll do your son instead. He loved to cause misery, he stared at space intently, undeterred, undefeated, until the day he met me. I'd seen him fuck with feelings, so I had fun with his. I stepped out from the shadows, hit him like a ton of bricks. He fought back bravely, it was his game, I just played it. I came out the winner and him, he never made it. I'm the worst of your fears, make nightmares a reality. My intentions are clear, create another casualty. They try to destroy me, every move they make's blocked. I've been frozen, isolated, never have I been stopped. I've been exposed to radiation, supposed to have been cut up. Thought you could destroy me? Let's be clear, you're fucked up. You hear I'm coming for you? Better pray I fail. Best believe you're blessed if you live to tell the tale. Now don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to play the hero. My aura's black as death, compassion level 0. That's how I pick my next victim, struck her like a hex. Stopped her making money, stopped her selling sex. With her I took my time, some people say I toyed with her, pretended to stop the pain, but ended up destroying her. I swim in raw emotion, find comfort in profanity. Now I'm finished with her, but I'll be back for her family. I let the dust settle when the flat died down. Her sister caught my eye, she put her crack pipe down. Stupid bitch deserves it cause she wastes what she's been given. At least her kids are young enough to think that she could go to heaven. My name's widespread, well known, too intimidating. Age, race or gender's all the same, I don't discriminate. I'm hungry still, every kill just makes me more notorious. Next it could be you, you really shouldn't be ignoring this. I'm the worst of your fears, make nightmares a reality. My intentions are clear, create another casualty. They try to destroy me, every move they make's blocked. I've been frozen, isolated, never have I been stopped. I've been exposed to radiation, supposed to have been cut up. Thought you could destroy me? Let's be clear, you're fucked up. You hear I'm coming for you? Better pray I fail. Best believe you're blessed if you live to tell the tale. The society create me in my man-made synthetic. The God put me here to make you people seem pathetic, unsympathetic, leave you paralysed, paralytic, fighting for your life and then attack a paramedic. I've killed an everyday man, struck down a gay man, claimed a cheeky fuck with the morals of a caveman. Made a little girl cry, forced her mum to abortion. No more little sister, nature took its course in the worst way ever. Forced by my hand, what's that expression again? The best laid plans, I've been researched for years. Everybody hates me, brightest people on the planet work constantly to break me. Don't forsake me, don't know why I do the things I do. Raising money to fight me, I'm undefeated for my cue. I can spell the end for everyone, am I what I seem to be? When someone's got a point to prove that as serious as me. I'm the worst of your fears, make nightmares a reality. My intentions are clear, create another casualty. They try to destroy me, every move they make's blocked. I've been frozen, isolated, never have I been stopped. I've been exposed to radiation, supposed to have been cut up. Thought you could destroy me? Let's be clear, you're fucked up. You hear I'm coming for you? Better pray I fail. Best believe you're blessed if you live to tell the tale.